With big spaces, you get the edge of creativity. And to get that edge in films, you need some amazing lighting. आज हमारे पास है Godox की full lighting range जो हम टेस्ट करने जा रहे हैं इस space में. This space is Studio Future Forward Delhi, and today I have some special setups that I want to showcase. So today we have a huge range of lights from Godox, right from their portable lighting solutions to these amazing tubes that you see behind me, and of course the Cine lighting solutions, the NOLED series. और जब इतना बड़ा space मिलता है, I get the idea of music videos, dance and much more. Today I'm going to do 3 different setups using all these lights. So let's see what they look like. So हमारे पहले सेटअप के लिए हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं ट्यूब्स फॉर द मेन हाईलाइट्स एंड प्रैक्टिकल लाइट्स, एंड टॉप लाइट के लिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं एक पैनल. जो दीवार पे लगी हुई ट्यूब्स है वो इन सिंक चल रही हैं. दीज आर दी नोलेड सीरीज ऑफ ट्यूब्स, द TP सीरीज. इसमें हम TP2R, TP4R यूज कर रहे हैं टू गेट दैट इफेक्ट इन द बैक. और अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि ये सारा इन सिंक चल रहा है, सो विद दीज लाइट्स द बेस्ट बिट इज दैट द LEDs वर्क इंडिविजुअली एंड यू कैन प्रोग्राम टू रन देम इन सिंक विद ईच अदर एंड दे लुक लाइक एज इफ इट इज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन लाइट टू अनदर. और जो लाइट्स हमने टांग रखी हैं, दीज आर द TL सीरीज फ्रॉम Godox. नाउ दीज आर द TL120 लॉन्ग ट्यूब लाइट्स. ये हमने एक्चुअली में रूफ से टांग रखा है. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद ट्यूब लाइट्स व्हेन यू आर हैंगिंग देम फ्रॉम द रूफ. दे शुड बी हंग using either very high strength metal cables, or you can actually use transparent fishing net cables, which also work very well. For the top light and the fill light, we are using the F400 by light panel. This is a foldable light panel that folds into a bag, और उसके ऊपर लगा है a softbox with a grid, which is the FS400. All of these lights can be wirelessly controlled and they give individual full RGB spectrum. All the tubes are full RGB and you can give different effects to these lights. Depending on the series that you use, the effects and the results may vary. For more professional, use the NOLED series, that is the TP series, and for any regular shoot, use the TL series and you will not regret using them on any of your sets. So after that power packed performance, हमने इस सेटअप में क्रिएट करा एक मूडी सेटअप, एक थोड़ा सा डार्क काइंड ऑफ अ सेटअप जिसमें पीछे काला पर्दा डाला गया टू क्रिएट दैट डार्कनेस. और हम यूज कर रहे हैं COB लाइट्स, NOLED COB लाइट्स, द 1200 by एंड द M600R. अब COB लाइट्स का फायदा ये है कि आप इनके आगे लगा सकते हैं अलग अलग मॉडिफायर्स. सॉफ्ट बॉक्स मॉडिफायर्स तो बहुत ही कॉमन है. यू गेट सर्कुलर सॉफ्ट बॉक्स मॉडिफायर्स, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, अलग अलग शेप्स एंड साइजेस में ये अवेलेबल होते हैं. बट माई फेवरेट इज प्रोजेक्शन मॉडिफायर्स. Projection modifiers आपको allow करते हैं to create these spotlights and even add textures to your light, and this is only possible with COB light. हमने इस केस में अपनी 1200 by पे भी एक projection modifier लगा रखा है which has created this nice spotlight on the ground, और M600R पे लगा रखा है हमने BLP modifier जो create कर रहा है spotlight. And since it is an RGB light, we were able to create textures with colors, spotlight with colors, and these COB lights are so versatile. They allow you to modify your lights and create shapes and sizes that fit your needs and create a mood for your films. चलिए हम अगले सेटअप में चलते हैं. Out of all the three setups that we've shown, this is by far the most complicated setup that we've done. So हमने create करी हैं layers जिसमें हमने introduce करी हैं practical lights in the lamps, and we've used tube lights in multiple places to take care of the dark areas on the set. And since we had so much of space, हमें ये एक बहुत बड़ा freedom मिल गया that we could use larger modifiers and larger lights. हमने use किया एक projection modifier on the MG 1200 by, जिससे कि हमने एक window का texture create करा है. We've used tube lights on the side, the TP2 R for indent lighting, and of course the R1 and the TL30 are being used in the drawers behind the plants everywhere. For my key light I have used the P300R जो कि एक soft light है, so वो मेरे को easily मेरे subject के around light को wrap करने को देती है. उसके आगे हमने diffuser use करे हैं. These are diffusion flags from Godox which are very portable, and you know you can use them anywhere in any situation and carry them along as well. For the hair light I've used the M600R with the BLP modifier, which allows me to create a spot for my subject's hair light and backlight. So overall, with all these portable lights and large light solutions, I get that cine feel for any kind of situation. चाहे आप एक music video shoot कर रहे हैं या आप एक dance video shoot कर रहे हैं, or even if you're planning to shoot a short film, these are the kind of three setups was amazing. हमें actually में 14 घंटे लगे to create the setups and to execute them, and also to make this tutorial. So एक दिन में हमने 3 setups execute करे because everything was so convenient, so portable, and the space was very favorable. The best and the most convenient thing was that all the professional series of light, the NOLED series, I was able to control using the NOLED app on my tablet. So I did not have to move the lights around, and I could place them in situations where I could not reach them once they were installed. Here's a short recap of what we shot in 14 hours. Let's check it out. And then God said, let there be light. So आपने देखा कैसे हमने इसी space को transform करा into multiple sets with different kind of moods just by using the correct lights at the right position with the right modifiers. So जब भी आप अपना lighting setup बना रहे हैं, आप अपनी production design कर रहे हैं, make sure that you choose the right lights. For that you need to understand what each of these lights does and how it can be used. Using the right kind of modifiers will give you the desired results. So make sure जो भी आप light setups बना रहे हैं, उनका combination, उनका color combination should work well in tandem with each other. And the best bit that we had was that the NOLED series has the versatility and the options available that fit all our needs in any situation. We hope to bring more such informative videos to you. So until next time, ciao.